Happy Monday, Castle team. This is Amanda and Katrina here with this week's Castle Communication. First of all, some updates. On Friday, we had a surprise visit by Assemblyman Vince Fong and Dr. Silverberg. Both enjoyed the visit and were very impressed with the STEAM labs and our focus on data.
Also, last week we had our first STEAM Advisory Board meeting. This is a committee comprised of local business associates and our principal from Actus and then a member from West High to share how we are transforming our school into a STEAM academy. They were very impressed what we have accomplished so far, and they're looking forward to coming back in May to see our end of year progress.
All right, and then we did have a staff meeting scheduled for this Wednesday, the 14th. However, we are rescheduling that for the 21st. The reason is we would like to take time to fine-tune our 90-day plan. We've had input from UVA, from leadership, and we're getting some input from staff, and we just want to make sure that that plan is very well developed before we present it to everyone. This week we'll have 3 committees meeting. They'll be looking over the revision of our collaboration agenda and protocols, looking at our next steps for math, as well as positive school culture. We will be sending out a collaboration survey. Please complete that by today so that we can give that information to the team who will be revising the agendas.
At our last staff meeting in February, Katrina and I talked to you about how we are going to assign staff members, appoint principal for the rest of the year. So we have divided the staff. Your assignments are in your boxes this week, along with a frequently asked question to help clarify what this means. This is really just a point of communication so that Katrina and I can be more effective in supporting you with classrooms concerns, student discipline, or parent concerns. So please see that list, and if you have further questions, do not hesitate to come and see us.
All right. Now some reminders. Coast to Coast continues this week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Continue to remind your students. I know we've said this for the last 3 weeks, but we will be sending out new signups. We're going to have Shannon Hilton send that out to you, so look for that this week.
Summer STEAM and Summer Success employment applications were posted last week. They are due next Friday. If you want to participate in Summer STEAM, which we hope you do, that will run June 5th through the 15th at Castle. And then if you're interested in participating in Summer Success, that will run throughout the month of June at Stein School.
And then Family STEAM Night is coming up this Wednesday from 5 to 6:30. Please make sure we know your activity and your location and be at your stations by 4:45.
Extended Day Quarter 4 registration is happening this Friday from 5 to 6:30 in the multi-purpose room. Flyers with updated electives will be in your boxes this week so parents will know what they can sign their students up for. And then Extended Day Quarter 4 will start April 9th. That's the first full week when we come back from spring break.
Math in Term 3 opens up this week. We will send out an updated analysis protocol by the end of the week. Please make sure you have a way to collect student work, some sort of answer sheet where students have to show work for each problem so that we can look at that when we do our next analysis.
After school track is starting this week for 4th through 6th grades. Please refer to the schedule that Jenny and Grant have given you.
And then report cards will go home this Friday. Let Natalie know when you're ready to print.
And then our favorite shout outs. Thank you to Tony, Mary, Phil, Jenny Ryland, Jill, Bree, Grant, and Dawn for attending our disaster drill debrief. They gave us some great suggestions to help us be better prepared.
And then thank you to Jill, Ashley, Shar, and John for attending the Right from Beginning and Beyond training. The training sounded like it went very well, and we're excited to unroll the next piece of Right from the Beginning next year in the fall.
Thank you to Lauren LaRope for taking some time out during her lunch to make a home visit to a student that we have had some concerns about. So thank you, Lauren.
And then K first and 6th grade for making 20% plus gains on ELA in Term 2.5. I know some of those results are still coming in, but we're really proud of the growth you're all making. Keep it up.
A special thank you to Destiny for making everyone's honorable night packet for the awards assembly last week. That freed up some time for other teachers, so thank you so much, Destiny.
And then thank you, kindergarten team, for participating in the class versus class game during awards. You guys did a great job.
And a special thanks to Michelle Hoover, who was able to calm one of our 4th grade students last week who was in crisis.
And then finally, thanks to Jenny and Grant for working after school track this week. We appreciate all of your work with that.
Thanks for listening, Castle family. Have a great week. And remember our school priorities: math, collaboration, and positive school culture.